How's your gardening project progressing? I'm nurturing beautiful plants. Let's enjoy the garden together. Did you visit any new places recently? Exploring new destinations is exciting. Let's plan more adventures. How's your relationship with your community? Being involved is fulfilling. Let's contribute to our community. Did you start a new business venture? Entrepreneurship is challenging. Let's support each other's ideas. How's your writing improving? I'm honing my skills. Let's write collaboratively. Did you make any travel plans? Traveling broadens horizons. Let's explore new destinations. How's your artistic creativity coming along? I'm expressing myself through art. Let's create something beautiful. Did you read any insightful articles? Reading keeps us informed. Let's discuss what we've read. How's your culinary expertise improving? I'm experimenting with recipes. Let's cook up a storm together. Did you attend any virtual events? Online events are convenient. Let's participate in more. How's your work from home setup? I created a productive space. Let's stay focused on work. Did you try any new fitness routines? Exercise is vital for health. Let's stay active together. How's your relationship with your colleagues? Positive work relationships are essential. Let's collaborate effectively. Did you learn any new languages recently? Multilingualism is impressive. Let's practice our language skills. How's your budgeting and saving going? Financial planning is crucial. Let's secure our financial future. Did you explore any new hiking trails? Nature hikes are rejuvenating. Let's plan a hiking adventure. How's your progress on that dye project? I'm building something special.